Hello, good morning. Welcome all to our channel. I am once again back with all important day with themes on February month. Once again, great to have to all and thanks for subscribing us. We are great motivated to give you all the best content we can give. I hope you have seen all the important month series video in your channel. If you have not seen, please visit and see all of them. It will be great benefit to you. Without wasting of time, we'll start our this month important day and date series. Okay, let's start. From first February, we have celebrated Indian Coast Guard Day. The Indian Coast Guard is celebrating its 45th Rising Day on 1st February 2021. On 2nd February, we have celebrated World Wetland Day. The World Wetland Day was first adopted on 2nd February 1971 in Ramsur, Iran, but it was first celebrated in 1997. On 2nd to 8th February, we have celebrated International Development Week. This week is celebrated to inform about different role and career path in the international development sector. On 4th February, we have celebrated World Cancer Day. This day is celebrated by WHO to aware the people of the disease cancer and how to cure it. World Cancer Day 2019 to 2021 theme is I am and I will. On 4th February also we have celebrated International Day of Human Fraternity. This year theme is a pathway to the future. This day is celebrated to raise awareness about the different culture and religion and believe the promotion of tolerance. On 4th February also we have celebrated National Day of Sri Lanka. On 4th February, Sri Lanka celebrates its Independence Day known as National Day of Sri Lanka. This day Sri Lanka got freedom from British on 1948. 6th February we have celebrated International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation. This day is celebrated to spread awareness and education people about the consequences and problems that females face due to genital mutilation. This year theme is No Time for Global Inaction, Unity Fund and Act to End Female Genital Mutilation. On 10th February, we have celebrated World Pulses Day. This day has been established by the Food and Agriculture Organization. This year theme is Nutritious Seeds for a Sustainable Future. On 11th February, we have celebrated World Unani Day. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of great Unani Solar Hakim Ajmal Khan. The first Unani Day was celebrated in 2017 at Research Institute of Unani Medicine, which is in Hyderabad. 11th February, we have also celebrated International Day of Women and Girls in Science. This year theme is Women Scientists at the forefront of the fight against the COVID-19. 12th February, we have celebrated Darwin Day. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of father, the evolution in biology, Charles Darwin in 1809. On 12th February, we have celebrated National Productivity Day. This day is celebrated by the National Productivity Council to promote productivity culture in the India. On 12th February, also you have celebrated birthday of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American statesman and lawyer who served as 16th President of the United States from 1861 until his assassination 1865. He was born on 12th February 1809. 13th February also we have celebrated World Radio Day. World Radio Day is celebrated to raise awareness about the importance of radio. This year theme is New World, New Radio. 13th February also we have celebrated birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. She was first Indian woman president of INC, also the first woman governor of United Province, which is presently known as Uttar Pradesh. Also, she is known as Nightingale of India. 20th February, we have celebrated Foundation Day of Arunachal Pradesh. Also, we have celebrated 20th February, the World Day of Social Justice. This day is celebrated to see how social justice affect poverty eradication. The main aim of the day is to achieve full employment and support the social integration. This year theme is a call for social justice in the digital economy. Also, we have celebrated World Pangolin Day. This day is celebrated to the third Saturday of February, but in this year this day is celebrated on 20th February. The aim is to raise awareness about the unique mammals and their conservation. 21st February, we have celebrated International Mother Language Day. This day is celebrated to raise awareness of language, cultural diversity across the world. The day was first announced by UNICEF in 1999, and this year theme is fostering multilingualism for inclusion in education and society. 22nd February, we have celebrated World Thinking Day. The theme of World Thinking Day 2021 is peace building. This day is celebrated annually 2nd February by the Girl Scout, Girls Guide and other girls group worldwide. 24th February, we have celebrated Central Excise Day. This day is celebrated in India to encourage the employee of the excise department to carry out the central excise duty in better way to prevent corruption in the manufacturing business and carry out the best possible excise service in India. 27th February, we have celebrated World NGO Day. This day is celebrated to inspire people to become more actively involved within NGO and encourage a greater symposium between NGO and both the public and private sector. 28th February, we have celebrated National Science Day. This day is celebrated in India to mark discovery of Raman effect by the Indian great physicist Sir C.V. Raman. He had discovered the Raman effect on 28th February 1928. He was honored by Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Thanks for watching. Once again, I am very kind for your valuable comments and suggestions. Please do share this video if you found it useful. Keep learning, keep shining. Thank